Hi. Uncover ingenious and portable methods to effortlessly raise your car. Explore cutting-edge tools and devices engineered to hoist your vehicle for repairs, maintenance, or unexpected situations, providing convenient solutions wherever you are. Your support by liking and subscribing is incredibly appreciated. No more wrestling with jacks or exhausting yourself just to swap a tire. These ramps are your ticket to solo tire changes without unloading your entire trailer. Ramps designed to bear the weight evenly, protecting your tires and ensuring your vehicle stands tall. Whether it's your car, truck, van, or trailer wheels, ramps have your back. Just pop them on flat surface, drive well onto ramp, and bingo. Built tough from durable polypropylene, ramps are UV resistant, rust resistant, and all set to tackle elements. Sleek black color won't fade, while textured surface ensures grip that won't quit. No slipping or sliding here. Your will ascend smoothly up ramp, thanks to its grooved bottom. Looking to elevate your car without the hassle? Meet the portable car lift that's here to save the day. This lift isn't just easy to set up, it's your sturdy knight in shining armor for lifting heavyweights. Say goodbye to complicated jacks and hello to the QuickJack. This wonder gadget is all about hoisting your entire vehicle effortlessly. It grips the recommended lifting points, ensuring your car gets the royal lift it deserves. Carefully position car lift under the vehicle, ensuring that it aligns with the recommended lifting points as specified in your vehicle's manual. Activate the portable car lift to engage and lift the vehicle. Ensure it is securely positioned under the lifting points before raising the car. Use the remote pendant control, which comes with a 13-foot cord, to manage the lifting process. This remote allows you to adjust the lifting height comfortably from a distance. But here's the catch: for a safe liftoff, it's vital to place this beauty on a flat surface. While using jack, always prioritize safety. Keep the lift on a level surface and avoid using it on slopes exceeding a 3-degree angle. Anything steeper than a 3-degree slope? Nope, not recommended. Now, these jacks might carry some weight, but trust me, they're built to bear it all. Heavy-duty construction is their middle name. Follow all recommended safety guidelines provided by the manufacturer. To make your lifting dreams come true, simply plug it into a regular 110-volt AC wall outlet. That's it. And guess what? You're in control with a handy remote pendant featuring a generous 13-foot cord. In a nutshell, it's the ultimate lift companion for your car, easy to handle and solid as a rock. With the QuickJack, elevate your car game hassle-free. Go-to hero for effortless tire changes anytime, anywhere. Prioritize safety, set it up on flat ground parallel to your car, maintaining a safe distance during operation. Follow simple steps, power it up, choose the right jack head, and elevate or lower with ease. Built-in LED light simplifies nighttime tire changes. It fits sedans and SUVs under 3 tons, ensuring versatility. Safety features include automatic stop at max height and protection against overloading. Compact and collapsible, it saves space, fitting neatly under your seat or in trunk. Plus, its red triangle doubles as a handy warning sign. Perfect for remote travels or everyday adventures. A must-have for garages and thrilling journeys, presenting an exceptional collapsible scissor lift jack. Remarkable tool doesn't just stand out, it raises your vehicle effortlessly, with a remarkable lifting capacity ranging from 4/1/8 to 15/1/8, capable of managing a hefty load of 1.5 tons, 3,000 pounds. Its robust and durable construction, thanks to top-quality drop-forged alloyed steel, ensures long-term reliability. Featuring an extra-wide base, it guarantees stability and strength, keeping your vehicle firmly grounded. When speed is crucial, its one-piece handle allows for quick and effortless response, promising a seamless lifting experience. Simple and straightforward in its operation, this jack is a perfect fit for both newcomers and seasoned pros. Place scissor jack beneath the vehicle, aligning it with the designated lifting area. Ensure jack is properly positioned and stable before lifting the vehicle. Typically, you'll need to turn the jack handle or rod to elevate the vehicle. Ensure the vehicle remains stable and secure while you work. Whether it's a primary jack or an emergency one tucked in your car's trunk, this compact marvel ensures you're always ready to tackle any roadside challenge with confidence. Robust steel that shines like an industrial hero. With capacity of 1.5 tons, tough hydraulic jack boasts a lifting range from 5/3 to 13 inches, perfect for handling cars, trucks, and SUVs with ease. Safeties with smart bypass system that keeps overloading at bay, ensuring secure operations. Glide effortlessly with its large steel casters and 360-degree swivel casters for smooth, hassle-free movement. And when it's downtime, it comes neatly packed in a convenient plastic blow mold case, making storage a breeze. Powerhouse in the world of jacks, hybrid of a bottle jack and a jack stand, all neatly packed in a single, genius device. Thanks to its innovative design, you get best of both worlds in compact unit. Boasting a hefty 3,000 pound capacity and lift range spanning from 11 to 21 inches, Jack is match made in heaven for pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, and those rugged Jeeps. Its wide base isn't just about style, it adds stability wherever it's placed, preventing any sinking even on softer surfaces. Perfect for giving RVs and trailers a level lift. Oh, and did we mention it meets or exceeds ANSI standards? Whether it's unibody vehicles or body-on-frame machines, Jack safely lifts and holds them all. Plus, safety bar locks the unit securely at your desired height, ensuring you're always in control. It's time to level up your lifting game with innovative, space-saving, and safety-first on INVENTIONS. Links to the products we list in today's video are located just below the description. Jack, that's a real game changer. This is not your ordinary floor jack, it's a triple lift powerhouse that's ready to elevate not just cars and trucks, but motorcycles, ATVs, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, and even transmission assemblies. The patented design boasts a versatile fit that's nothing short of revolutionary. Picture this, a lifting range from a lowly 5/2 inches, after removing the round saddle, to a sky-high 17/2 inches when the round saddle is installed. Talk about range. Stability? It's got it in spades, thanks to its wide wheelbase that takes stability to a whole new level. But wait, there's more. For extra security, use the included tie-down loops with your trusty tie-downs to keep your load safely in place. Say goodbye to the hassle of extra jack stands, just slide in the safety bar, and voila! The triple lift locks itself in the raised position. Tested, certified, and boasting strength that meets or exceeds ASME and PALT standards, this jack is as durable as it gets. Plus, its patented design comes with both a removable lift saddle and padded lift rails, making it adaptable to multiple types of vehicle frames. Flexibility at its finest. It's time to ditch your old jacks. This triple lift is your all-in-one lifting solution, ready to tackle any vehicle challenge that comes its way. Cool heavy-duty air jack that's all about strength and reliability. Crafted from robust high-strength steel, this pneumatic wonder guarantees durability like no other. Its tightly sealed airbags ensure zero leaks or scratches, while its all-terrain wheels are primed to support your car on any surface, no matter where you find yourself. Safety first. Using this jack is a breeze. Start by keeping the red valve closed and opening the green valve to input compressed air. Once you've reached the desired height, simply shut off the green valve. And when you're done, open the red valve to release the air. Plus, a relief valve in the middle ensures that you won't overinflate, keeping the entire process secure. Here is a more detailed and step-by-step guide on how to use the Mophorn 3-ton air jack. Preparation. Ensure your air jack is placed on a flat and stable surface. Verify that the red valve on the jack is closed before you begin. Connect the air supply, open the green valve on the air jack and connect the compressed air supply to the fitting. Begin filling the airbag with compressed air. Keep an eye on the height and stop filling when you reach the desired lifting height. Close the green valve. Once you've reached the intended height, promptly close the green valve to prevent further air from entering the bag. Securing the lift. Ensure the lifted object is secure before working on it. If needed, use additional safety measures like wheel chocks. Release air pressure. After completing the task, slowly open the red valve to release the compressed air. Allow the air jack to deflate completely before removing it. Storage. If storing the air jack, ensure all valves are closed securely and the jack is cleaned and properly stored in a safe place. Convenience at your fingertips. Featuring a lengthy handle, this airbag jack becomes effortlessly movable and user-friendly. The best part? You can disassemble the handle from the middle, saving space and making it the perfect trunk companion. Versatile performer. This QuickJack is your go-to solution for lifting a single wheel in challenging terrains or muddy roads. Whether it's for your family car, minivan, SUV, or off-road vehicle, this jack has you covered, providing reliable support whenever and wherever you need it. 7,000-pound capacity jack is a trusty companion for various farm tasks, effortlessly lifting heavy items like stumps and machinery. Extending up to 48 inches, it suits different vehicles and even doubles as a winch. Its 750mm handle ensures easy lifting, while broad base prevents sinking, offering a secure grip. From tire changes to rescues, Jack is your multitasking problem solver. Thanks for watching. Links to the featured products are below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.